Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
I think you are fine.
Yes.
Okay. Let us call the student who sit behind to sit in front of. So I call you, come and sit there, and you stand up with your chair and come here in front. Okay, as usual, we are going to study physics. We are going to start the new chapter.
Yes.
Last time we learned about inertia, degradation. Now we are going to start another unit.
Yes.
So I need you to follow me and then answer the question I'm going to ask you.
Yes.
Okay? This is a stone.
Yeah.
Yes. Let us I throw it.
Yes.
That stone is I throw is moving, but it is not straight.
Yes.
Why it is not straight? Who can tell us why that stone doesn't move as straight? Anyone? Yes, Jarik.
Thank you so much. After throwing that stone, it has followed the path that depends on the gravity.
Okay, it has the path that depends on the gravity. Okay, thank you. Another one? Yes, on that.
In my opinion, I think that stone undergoes type of motion depending on the angle is thrown on me.
Okay, thank you. Which type of that motion that make that angle, you think?
Depending on what we studied in mathematics, I think it's parabolic motion.
It's parabolic motion. Yes, good. Another one who have a different idea of Jarik and Honorat? No one. Okay, good. After seeing what I saw you when I throw that stone, who can guess what we are going to run in that period? Okay, Sharire.
I think we are going to run projectile motion.
Projectile motion. Yes. Give him flowers. Yes. Today we are going to run unit 8, which is called the projectile and uniform circular motion. Depending what you have say, who can try to define the projectile motion? Yes.
Projectile motion is path taken by an object in the space.
Is the powerful come and write it? Okay, another one who can tell us another definition of projectile motion. Another one who can tell us the definition different with, okay, tell us.
Yes, projectile motion is defined as a motion which is controlled exclusively. Yes. Which is contingent to the different maximum reach the maximum reach.
Okay, thank you. All of you, you have any skills on the projectile motion. You can give you the flowers. Okay, as you said, you are not far of definition of projectile motion. As you see, in the projectile motion, we have any instructional objective. Today we are going to run a projectile motion and the term related with the projectile motion. That means in that class session you are going to back to home after knowing the term projectile motion, what is projectile motion, and the way related to the projectile motion. As you see here, projectile motion is the motion of an object that is thrown or launched or projected into the air and moves under the influence of gravity. That means that motion it is influenced by the gravity. You can ask yourself, what is the name of the path that the projectile was moved according to the stone I throw? Okay, Sharik.
You can call it trajectory.
It is called, it moves as a trajectory. Okay, what is trajectory?
Trajectory, it is a path taken by the projectile.
It is the path that taken by the projectile. Give him flowers. Okay. Who can give us any example of a projectile motion or a projectile object that make a projectile? Okay, Onurat.
Football players when they kick the ball.
Okay, thank you. Another one. Okay, Zari.
Throwing stone.
Throwing a stone.
Excuse me.
In which way?
Excuse me.
Because you can throw a stone with yes.
Will you give me a permission of 1 minute?
Go. In which way? Okay, thank you for your example. As you see, there is many example that projectile motion is found like when you throw stone as I saw you. A bullet fired from a gun, when a gun when a bullet is fired from the gun, there is a projectile motion and the water from a fountain. The term which is found in the projectile motion, we will see the 9 terms. That terms we will use in the calculation and in the real life.
Yes.
A projectile is an object that is given in an initial velocity and then moves free under the gravity.
Yes.
Some example, ball, arrow, and the rocket. That is an example of the projectile.
Yes.
So, Charles, stand up and read the second related term.
Trajectory is the curved path followed by the projectile during its motion. The trajectory of projectile is usually a parabola.
Thank you. As Sharik said, as the projectile is the path that is followed by the projectile during the motion. Third one, stand up and read it.
Thank you. The angle of projection is the angle between the initial velocity and the horizontal direction.
Okay, thank you. Let us continue with the horizontal motion. The horizontal motion is the movement of the projectile parallel to the ground. The characteristics of that horizontal motion is the horizontal velocity remains constant. Okay? That means the velocity on the horizontal doesn't change.
Yes.
No horizontal acceleration ignoring air resistance. Okay?
Yes.
Let us continue with the vertical motion. Stand up and read it first.
So, vertical motion, and then the vertical motion is the upward and downward movement of the projectile caused by gravity.
That means vertical, it has any influence by the gravity. Okay, let us initial velocity, you run it in uniform circular motion. You know, initial velocity is written by V or V initial. Okay?
Yes.
That is the velocity that the projectile was started. That is the velocity which is initial.
Yes.
Where the projectile is started. 7 is time of flight. Time of flight is the total time the projectile remains in the air. That means when the object or that projectile, as we see, the projectile is an object, like a ball, like a stone. It is time that takes when it is in the air. 8, it is the maximum height. Let us call inside read 8.
So the maximum height is the greatest vertical distance reached by the projectile.
Okay, as you see, it is the height which is the maximum where the projectile has the max.
Yes.
Last one is the horizontal range. Then the horizontal range is the total distance covered by the projectile. As you see, the weight related to the terms related to the projectile, you are going to discuss in your group in 30 seconds, where we can see or we can apply the projectile motion, where we see the projectile motion in the pairs.
Let me see.
Where we can apply or where we can see the projectile motion. It is like application. Okay, number 3 of here stand up and tell us some application.
Thank you. From what we have seen in the application of projectile motion, we have found throwing ball. We have found a missile targeting. That is it.
Okay, thank you. There is many application where we are seeing in sport activity like in football. Okay? Military weapons targeting, rocket which is launching, and the engineering and the construction. So, I am going to call you. Stand up and summarize what you learned in that time. What you are.
Okay, in this lesson I have learned that the projectile is a motion taken by any object in space. We have seen some application or examples where we apply this projectile motion in football, volleyball, in military weaponing targets, rocket launching, and the other activities. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. As we learn projectile motion definition, we learn